wash it. Why is it so good? Yeah, it's cool. It's hard at front side.
Whoa, somebody step on a duck? Yeah, way to ollie out, man.
Pretty much just got buck on this spot, so I can ride.
I didn't even tie, I just popped out, huh?
Yeah, way to not go into the bank.